Okay, good morning, all the students. This is Pradipsa here. Today, we are going to discuss on a very important topic from 12th standard, keeping an accountancy. The name of the chapter is Bill of Exchange. Okay, I think for the first time you are hearing this word. Okay, let's discuss about Bill of Exchange. In India, in village, it is also known as hundi. This is also a new word for you. In another word, we can say as it is like a promissory note. Promissory notes. These are the instruments which is going to promise to the sellers. Okay, for example, if I am taking something on credit basis and I'm going to pay the amount after a few days, okay, that I'm going to promise to the seller that I will pay the amount, such amount on this particular date. So I will give him some written words or written things that is known as promissory notes. Same like we are going to introduce for the first time bill of exchange. Okay. Now, why we are making bill of exchange? For example, if you want to sell any goods, okay, the transactions occurs on cash basis, but not always. Sometimes the seller has to give some credit if you want to increase his sales. Okay. Now tell me which shop will get more sales. One shop is going to deal only on cash, and another shop is giving credit as well as cash transactions. So what do you think? Which shop have more sales? Definitely you will go for this second shop. Okay. Now here we are going to discuss about bill of exchange. If you are taking anything on credit basis for a particular date, if you are going to pay the amount after a particular date, so you are going to give him a written acknowledgement that I will pay a certain amount on date, whatever. So here, the meaning of bill of exchange, we can say that it is a written acknowledgement of debt and also promise to pay the debt according to the terms of the bill. Terms of the bill means for 30 days, 60 days, 90 days, whatever term is there, or any other conditions. Okay, so it is very easy to understand. What is bill of exchange? A written acknowledgement of debt. Okay, and also promise to pay the debts. Okay, this is very easy to understand. Now let's see what is definition given in Negotiable Act 1981 under section 5. Okay, this definition includes various features of bill of exchange. Let's see the definition. A bill of exchange is an instrument. Instrument means it is a one kind of document in writing form. This is the second feature. First feature is it is an instrument. Second, it should be in writing form, containing an unconditional order. Unconditional order means after the particular period, there will be no condition, anyhow you have to pay the amount. Fourth feature is it should be signed by the maker. Maker means the seller, because seller is the person who is making the bill of exchange. So seller is, we can say, as a maker. He should be signed on that instrument. The sign should be there, signed by the maker. Next, directing a certain person to pay certain sum of money. There should be, you have to specify that certain sum of money. For example, rupees 10,000. You have to mention it on that instrument, and it should be directed to the person, means to whom you are going to pay the amount of rupees 10,000. Okay, only to or to the order of certain person or to the bearer of the instrument. Bearer of the instrument means who is holding this instrument. He will get rupees 10,000 in future on particular date. So this is the definition is given in Negotiable Act 1981 under section 5. Okay. Let's see. how many parties are there? Parties means how many people are actually involved in bill of exchange. The first person is drawer. Drawer means maker of a bill. Who prepares the bill? Who makes the bill? Maker of a bill. Generally, the seller makes the bill. Okay, so he's called as drawer. Don't forget, who is drawer? The maker of the bill, who draws the bill, who prepares the bill, the seller of the bill. Okay, second person is drawing. Drawing is a customer who is taken goods and promising that after particular date he is going to pay the certain amount to the drawer. Drawee is going to pay the amount to the drawer generally. But sometimes drawer don't take amount directly. He directed to pay the amount to the payee. Don't pay to the drawer. Sometimes, for example, Mr. Drawer is a Ajay Kulkarni. Suppose the name of the person, the name of drawer is Ajay Kulkarni. But he will say to the drawee that pay to the amount to Ajay Enterprises, the name of his firm. So the pay will be Ajay Enterprises, to whom we are paying amount actually is known as payee. I hope you understand the difference between drawer, drawee, and payee. Sometimes drawer and payee are the same, but sometimes drawer and payee may be the different. Okay, I hope you understand. Okay, so in the exams, you have to prepare the bill of exchange for 5 marks in first questions. That's why this is very important. Now, for example, what are the contents should be there in bill of exchange? While preparing of the bill, there should be some contents. For example, the specific name of drawer, you have to write. Drawer means what? The person who prepares the bill. Generally, seller is the drawer. Now, in this case, what we can see, Sri Manohar Ramchandra Patil. Okay, he is a drawer, and next to it, we have given his address. He's staying at 208 MG Road, Mahatma Gandhi Road, Mumbai 18. Okay. Now, second person that we require, that is the drawee. Drawee means customer. Who is customer? Sri Ravindra Sapkar, Main Road, Savantwadi, Satara. Okay. Now, this Ravindra has taken goods from Mr. Mohanohar for 4 months credit. Now see, what is the period that he has taken? After 4 months, he has going to pay to Mr. Manohar rupees. What is the amount? Exact amount we should be mentioned that amount is 12,952 rupees. Okay, so amount is also given. What is the date of bill? He has taken the goods on 10th October 2020, 10th March of 2020. Okay, now Mr. Manohar has prepared the bill of exchange and sending to Ravindra's address, that is at Savantwadi, Satara. On 13th March, he receives the bill of exchange and he gives his acceptance. Who gives the acceptance? Who is accepting this bill? Drawee. Drawee has to accept the bill and he has accepted. Okay, he has accepted the bill of exchange on 13th March 2022. So this should be content should be there. Okay, just take it 1 minute.